Hi everyone! In this video, we'll look at how to connect your Notion workspace with Blitzit and turn your Notion databases into a truly actionable task system. If you already organize your projects in Notion, this integration will help you bring those plans directly into your daily routine and execute them with deep focus. And, as we say, win your day every day. So let's get started. First, open Blitzit and go to the Apps menu. Choose Notion here. Now, in your web browser, select the pages you want to connect and click Allow Access. Now you have your Notion account connected with Blitzit. Click Link List and select the list you want your Notion databases to be connected with. Click Link Now. Keep in mind, each list can only have one Notion workspace connected at a time. Now, inside your Blitzit list, click the Notion icon in the top right and choose Add Databases. Select the ones you'd like to connect with this list, click Update Databases, and you'll see all your databases listed here. Now that your Notion page is connected, you can start syncing tasks into your Blitzit list. There are two main ways to do this, manually or automatically. Let's start with the manual method. Open the database and switch to the Cards tab. You can see that Blitzit detects the status property from your Notion database. This property is essential because it's what the integration uses to know which tasks belong in which Blitzit column. In Notion, each status property has three main categories: To Do, In Progress, and Complete. Only tasks from the To Do and In Progress groups can be synced into Blitzit, since those are the tasks you're still working on. Completed ones will appear under the Done column automatically once finished. You can also click this button to go to the Tasks page in Notion. Select the tasks you'd like to import, click Add Selected Cards, and you'll see them appear right away in your Blitzit backlog. Each task now has an Open in Notion button, which takes you directly to the corresponding Notion page. Another way is to use the automation system. This feature lets you bring in all your Notion tasks at once and keep them synced automatically. Go to Settings and turn on Auto Syncing. Here we can map Notion status properties to Blitzit's columns. This way, unfinished tasks will move to the Backlog column, and completed ones will move to the Done column. For Backlog, let's select both Not Started and In Progress, and for the Done column, let's select Done status. Blitzit will now know where to place each task automatically, depending on its current status in Notion. Below, you'll also see your Notion checkbox properties. If your Notion page includes checkboxes like, for example, script, voiceover, or filming, as they have here, those will appear as actionable subtasks within Blitzit, and checking them off in Blitzit will instantly update the checkboxes in Notion too. Let's choose all of them. Additionally, you'll notice people filters here. If you're using a person property in Notion, you can filter tasks by Assignee. This means you can sync only the tasks assigned to you instead of the entire database, which is perfect for teams working from the same workspace. Alright, once it's done, click Sync Notion Tasks. Let's see how the sync works in real time. When you mark a subtask complete in Blitzit, it updates in Notion too. And when you move a task to the Done column in Blitzit, its status automatically changes to Done in Notion. If you make changes the other way around, from Notion back to Blitzit, you'll just need to refresh the page to see the updates reflected. So, for example, let's move this task in Notion to the In Progress column. Now open Settings, click Refresh in the top right corner, then hit Sync Notion Tasks. This performs a manual update for all tasks. That's how the two-way sync works. Blitzit to Notion happens instantly, while Notion to Blitzit updates on refresh. This integration is especially powerful if you work with large Notion databases or team projects. You can keep all your planning and structure inside Notion, while using Blitzit to focus on the execution side. Each morning, just open Blitzit to see what's on your plate. Tasks from Notion will appear under your Today column when scheduled, or you can move them manually if needed. And now you can move through today's tasks one by one, with full focus by pressing the Blitzit Now button. You can open the extended menu of any task synced with Notion and launch the linked Notion page, so you always have context without losing momentum. And that's how you integrate Notion with Blitzit to make your planning truly actionable. With just a few steps, your Notion databases become living to-do lists, ready to help you blitz through your day. If you found this helpful, check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of Blitzit. Happy blitzing!